डायरेक्टराक मेळपाक येयलेले वो विजय बी सक्सेना ताका मेळोन आमी आयज फेलिसिटेट करपाक सोदताले ताका कित्याक ह्या मनशाक 3 एक्सटेंशनां मेवल्या एक वर्साक एक एक्सटेंशन आनी ते जाल्यार कितें आहा जाणा हो पळय विजय सक्सेना आहा तो हे कॅडराचो मॅडम यू आर द मामलादार Madam, we wanted to meet the director and felicitate him because he had been getting...
He's not available. He's not in office.
Pardon? He's not in
office currently.
But in the morning he was there.
Okay.
So we have got the message. In fact, to tell you frankly...
But right now he's not there.
Yeah. So, we know everything that in the afternoon around 12:15 he went away. And even in the morning there were only 4 or 5 policemen deployed here. And later on policemen also went and they came now. The thing is what? We had come to express all this. Many people wanted to come, but I phoned them and told them not to come because he's not coming. The thing is that he's been given extension 1 year at a time on 3 times. We had already given a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa on 16th of February. Then later on 23rd February, we gave another letter saying that he has, this department, government, has violated many rules. I'll tell you one thing. Pहिले you can understand. See, what post पळय हा Director of Planning, Statistics and Evaluation. वो पोस्ट जावन आसा गोवा सिव्हिल सर्व्हिस कॅडराचो. तो शेड्यूल हा पळय रिक्रुटमेंट रूल फॉर गोवा सिव्हिल सर्व्हिस कॅडर. त्या शेड्युलान वो पोस्ट आहा वन ऑफ द पोस्ट मेन्शन इन दॅट शेड्यूल. And this particular person, Vijay K. Saxena, is a joint director. And a joint director, so he cannot be given the post of director. And he is unconstitutionally given that post. And that post he is holding for so many years. And that too he is given extension for 3 times. That is totally unconstitutional. Besides, there are judgments. I will read out the judgments to you. There is a judgment dated 21st November 2009 in writ petition number 438 of 2009 filed by Kashinath Chetty and 8 others against the state of Goa, 8 others, wherein the Honorable High Court has given directions to the government that extensions, reappointments and appointments on contract basis will not be made without consultation of the Goa Public Service Commission wherever necessary and without the leave of the Honorable High Court. In this case of Vijay Saxena, none of this has been done by the government.
You can bring it up before the complainant authority.
We have already told madam and the government has not listened. That's why we wanted to felicitate him and listen from him what extraordinary qualities he has got. That the government is violating so many things. Besides, there is a 25 in writ petition 2323 of 2025 F filed by Rajan R. Hinde against the state of Goa and 3 others, where it was clearly said, we have clearly depreciated the approach of granting extensions to a person who has already attained the age of superannuation by observing that such an action result in denial of opportunities to new and young entrants who has also legitimate expectation and consideration for their candidature for the post, either by way of selection or by way of promotion.
Yes, I understand that. Right now your purpose is to
Despite there is another judgment. I'll read that to you. Just for your information, how many judgments this Goa government has violated, just for your information. The oral judgment dated 14/10/2025 in writ petition number 2614 of 2025 F filed by Pankaj Narvekar against the state of Goa and 6 others, wherein the Honorable High Court has held the state government shall avoid extensions in service and continue to infuse young blood to fill this new post. You must be aware that Goa is having the highest unemployment ratio in India. We are having so many unemployed youth. See, I am the block president of Santa Cruz constituency. Whenever I go to visit people to get their feedback, people tell me that there are so many unemployed youth. And these people are given the extensions. You are from the civil cadre, I believe. Junior scale officer.
No, Joint Mamladas.
Joint Mamladas, okay. You are in the line of promotion for this, no? After junior scale officer, you will be experienced. So he is hampering your promotion also because this post doesn't belong to him. He is unconstitutionally holding this post. Your president, Mr. Kapil Fatte, should be briefed in this matter, saying that he has to take up this matter with the government that this post belongs to your cadre. This post doesn't belong to their cadre. These posts can be reached up to joint director level. He cannot hold the post of director. So he has violated, government has violated all the norms by giving him this post, and that too giving him extension for 3 consecutive years. That's the reason we wanted to felicitate him and hear from his mouth what he has got to say. But just because
But right
we
now
heard,
he's unavailable.
yeah, we heard that he will not be available, and that's the reason we told our people not to come and waste their time. But we came as a so that message should not go that we did not come. We wanted to come and give the message to the public.
Just to extend little more. What happens is, I'll take an example of the low cadre, below him the post whichever is there. And suppose he is getting retired next month or next year, he will retire with the same old post where he was having a right to go on the top part and get his thing. Plus, another post would be created from down, somebody will get employment, and we are having a lot of unemployment here. As a retired teacher, I know how the children are suffering on the contract basis they're coming. They're not getting the permanent post unless until the post is empty. To fill up on a temporary basis we take, and even engineers are working for 10-15,000 in the small companies. So this type of thing, promotions or extension should not be given. And extension when it is given, you're killing the young generation. Years and years they are blocked there. And 3 different promotions, 3 times this extension is too much. This should not be. But still we wanted to show him, Baba, this is your place, you are having much, he must be, and that's why we want to know and felicitate you for your caliber, whatever you are having, and that's why we had come with shawl and this to him, just to bring to him notice that he is super intelligent must be, that's why he is given 3. Otherwise nobody is given at all. Sometimes a deserving candidate is not getting the extension even of 1 month. It should not be, and that's why we are sorry that we are not getting him to talk. Anyhow, the government should think over this, and this should not happen in future at least. Whatever it is, so many norms are violated, as John said to you. But future at least this should not happen, and the children, young generation should get a chance. And those officers, especially coming to the superannuation with the retirement level, should not suffer. He should retire from the top scale, not the down scale. This is what we want to say to the government.
गव्हर्मेंटान माझी गव्हर्मेंट स्कीम केल्या न्हू, तशीच गव्हर्मेंटान म्हज्या गोरगांव म्हणून एक स्कीम करपाची आनी हांकां सगळ्यांक एक म्युजियम घालून तांकां दवरपाचें, जे आमच्या गोरगांव म्हणून. हे पळय मॅडम, दीज आर द वायलेशन्स फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन. या सो द इट इज टोटली अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट विच इज होल्डिंग. He has got no right to sit in that chair because of these violations. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for the police for the cooperation.
तुम्ही आता किती करता ते शॉल
शॉल आता शॉल आणि नाल बंद केलेले सो आता
कोणाक
कितें
दितले आमी आनी कोणाक दिवपाक जायना. सो आमी कोते येतले, डेफिनेटली येतले. आमी वी वील सी, आमकां सगळें इन्फॉर्मेशन मेवता हिंगा कितें जाता पळय तें. सकाळीं तो वेगान येयलो आयज, तो येवचे पयले पुलीस आसले. 12 जावन कितें तो देंवचे तो देंवला, तेजे पयले पुलीस गेल्या. म्हणजे ताका सांगला तेणें वच आपण वयता म्हणून, आनी ते उपरांत तो येवंक ना. वी आर गेटिंग ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन. आय एम टोटली इन दिस कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ पीपल. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू रिवील एनीबडीज नेम्स, but suddenly we will come one day and we will felicitate him in front of media. We will let you know. कित्याक तुमी जायत न्हू, you are the fourth pillar of the society. ते लोकांक कळोंक जाय ताका बाबा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज कितें आहा त्यो. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्रिएट एनी हंगामा, पूण आमी ताका हें करतले की तुजे एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज कितें आहा त्यो आमकां सांग म्हणून. दॅट इज आवर एम.
जॉन बाब, तुमकां आतां खबर आसलें तो हांगासर ना म्हणून, जाल्यार तुमी मुद्दामून कित्याक गेल्ले शॉल?
आमी आमचे लोकांक सांगले तुमी येनाका, तुमचो टायम वेस्ट करपाक. पूण आमी जरी तर येनासले जाल्यार हिंगासर रॉंग मेसेज वयतली आसली की आमी येनासतना रावले म्हणून. सो आमी कमिटी हेजे ब्लॉकांतले आमी 4 जाण येवपाचें डिसिजन आमी ऑन द स्पॉट घेतले आनी तांकां सांगलें यू डोंट कम म्हणून. कित्याक थोडे जाणांक पेंजीम कॅम्पेनिंगाक वचपाक जाय आसलें, तांकां धाडले म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शनां आहा ताका लागून. सो दॅट्स द रिजन वी डी नॉट वॉन्टेड टू हे म्हणजे आमी भियोन रावले वो कितें पुलिसांक
सरप्राईजली येतले तुम्ही आता नेक्स्ट
हय सरप्रायझिंगली येतले. तुमकां सांगतले मात आमी येवचे पयले.
बॅनरार तुमच्या म्हजें घर जावंय बरयलें आहा. कितें कितें म्हणपाक सोदता
म्हणजे आमी
तुमी?
कितें म्हणटा, गोव्हर्मेंटान म्हजें गव्हर्मेंट एक स्कीम काडल्या न्हू, तशें हे पळय हें करतात न्हू, तांकां म्हजें घर जावंय म्हण एक स्कीम काडून एक म्युजियम कसो बांदून दवरचो. हो बाबा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज आहा. सो प्लस तुमच्यांनी लिखून वचून तेका विचारपाक जाता कितें क्वॉलिटीज आहा पळय त्यो. कित्याक जाणा, भुरग्यांचे जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज हॅम्पर जाता. भुरगे शिकून बेकार आहा, मास्टर्स केलेले, ग्रॅज्युएट्स आहा, LLB केल्ले भुरगे LDC म्हूण कामाक वयता. आर्किटेक्ट केलेले भुरगे LDC कामाक वयता म्हणटकच हें जावंक जायना कित्याक हे असले पोस्टांचेर पळय आहा ते वेकंट जातले गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक हे जॉब कशे मेळटले गोंयची अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट ही हायेस्ट इन इंडिया आहा म्हण तुमकां खबर आसतली सो दॅट हॅज टू एंड अँड दीस इज आवर स्मॉल कंट्रिब्युशन फॉर दॅट पर्पज
ओके येस थँक्यू
थँक्यू